pot, your fire hazard.
I never hear the whistle.
Feed the dogs, will you?
Listen, don't be a grouch. I'm a wonderful person. Enjoy what you got.
Whose clothes are those?
Yours. If you were a dog, though, where would you be?
Mine.
Yeah, I'm taking you to the thrift shop. It's Mrs. Vaughan's pet charity.
That's not going to help you this time.
Why don't you look through that stuff, see what you want. It's mostly city clothes. Okay, guys, come on. Elmer, Zolman, here we go.
Hey, I wear this to the garden. Locked doors. Garbage strikes. Dog dirt and muggers. Shipping. Christine what?
Worthington.
You don't remember her name? What's the name of those, what's that name for people who come over from the mainland?
Tourists and summer dinks?
That's it. So you picked her up at the ferry. How many were in the group?
About 20 of us.
Spent the night on the beach?
Most of it.
Nobody saw her go into the water?
Somebody could have. I was sort of passed out.
She ran out on you.
No, sir. She must have drowned. Look, I reported, didn't I?
You live here?
No, Hartford. Go to Trinity College. My folks live in Greenwich.
Your parents were born here, though.
Yeah, but they moved off when my father retired. You an islander?
No, we're all sick. You here for the summer?
Yeah, me and some friends got a house.
What are you paying?
Oh, 1,000 each. There's 5 of us. You know, 100 a week, food, booze.
It's pretty expensive.
That's not bad.
Come on. You're gonna have to take a look at this.
No, I don't want to.
Please. You're gonna have to take a look at it.
Is it her?
That's what you're gonna tell me.
I don't want to look.
Now, please, just take a look and you tell me if that's her. Cut. Lovely.
What do you got there? Listen, we had a shark attack at South Beach this morning, Mayor. Fatal. I got a batten down the beach. Who you told us to, Lenny? I just found out about it. But there's a troop of Boy Scouts in the water a couple miles down the coast from where we found the girl, April 10th. She's going to drive off. We'll take my car, okay? You come with us. Yeah, but I got to do these signs. Come on, and give us time to think about what the signs are going to say, huh?
Please.
Arthur. Okay, you can take us back now.
But I'll tell you, I can't do my job in a vacuum. I mean, if this is what you want, you might as well have hired Hendricks. He's got relatives all over the island.
We hired the right man, Martin. We didn't need someone with old feuds, family ties. We need someone to referee this thing.
All right.
Now, let me tell you about some of the vandalism that's been going on this island. You know the white picket fence around my office? Well, apparently these old cockers are coming with karate chops or something. I don't know what... Martin, kids are breaking my old fence. Is this your... Martin.
Where's the... Daddy?
Right this way.
3. That should be softer than the number 2. Try that. Hello, Mr. Quinks.
How are you, Katie? Looking well.
Thank you.
4 spools of piano wire, number 12.
Sure. What do those fish do? Eat that stuff?
Ah, they choke on it.
So then Denver and Charlie sat there trying to catch their breath. Figure out how to tell Charlie's wife what happened to her freezer full of meat.
That's not funny. That's not funny at all.
Mrs. Kidner must have put her ad in Field and Stream.
It's more like the National Enquirer. Hold it.
Price is $100. As a unit. $100.
$35. Why don't you wait till you get out a little farther, huh?
Hey, grab that nut.
Wait a minute. You got permit for that? Yes, sir. Okay, keep it safe.
Marcus.
Holy Jesus H. Christ, look at this bunch of nuts. Equipped for trout fishing, clam digging, rabbit hunting, bass fishing, everything by G. Get that guy, Chief.
Hey, wait a minute. You got a permit for that?
Kill
Yes, sir.
somebody.
All right, just keep the safety on.
And the more they come, the worse they look.
Man, you're not going out too, are you?
Yeah, $3,000 is a lot of money, and I'd like to have it. I can certainly use it. Look out, Chief. Hi. You aren't going out with that bunch of crazy nuts, are you?
I don't know yet.
Well,
I think Harry's got it. Let's go. Bring him in, Harry.
Marker?
Take a deep breath, Roy. Deep breath.
Did you see the television special, the Cousteau special on sea otters? Sea otters, where the mother was killed in front of the baby. The baby saw it with his eyes. You could see the tears coming down his face. It was the most incredible thing I have ever seen. It was terrible. Mikey wanted us to adopt the sea otter. I've never been this moved by anything on television. It was special. So, you're going on the Aurora. You're going to live there. 18 months, wow.
So she would go like that. I mean, she was a wacko. She was really smooth. And all this was happening during finals week, you know? And she had my long-distance telephone credit card, you know? And my father called up one day and he said, what is this $1,200 phone bill? And what was I gonna tell him, that I knew some bozo who was into erratic phone calls? She was driving me nuts. She was great.
What was that?
I didn't hear anything. Try breathing through your mouth.
I quit, Mr. Quint. I quit.
You don't go, you don't get paid.
I don't care. I'm not going on that old slab after that crazy old shark. I'm not crazy.
You miserable little son of a bitch. You're getting that blackfish on my boat, pump out the bilges, top up the fuel tanks, then get your ass out of here because you're on the beach.